Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very special Christmas cake, which is coconut and semolina cake, also known as Baath, which is commonly made in Goa during Christmas. So let's get started how to make this wonderful cake. I hope you will try this as well, and delicious to eat and easy to make. So let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is, in my bowl, I'm going to add 500 grams of semolina. Alright, that's 500 grams of semolina. Next, I'm going to add desiccated coconut. That's going to be 200 grams. The entire 200 grams of desiccated coconut. Okay. And then I'm going to mix the two ingredients. Alright. To this now I'm going to add 6 eggs. Egg number 1. 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6 eggs. Alright. I've mixed the eggs with the semolina and the coconut, desiccated coconut. Next, I'm going to add 200 grams of butter, melted butter. That's 200 grams of melted butter, and again I'm going to mix it up and get back to you. In a separate bowl, what I've done is I've taken 500 grams of sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. And I'm going to add vanilla extract. Alright, that's about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And I'm going to dissolve this. Once the sugar dissolves with the water, I'm going to mix that with my semolina cake batter. So I'll get back to you once I dissolve all the sugar and mix it. Also, while dissolving the sugar, don't forget to add the cardamom powder. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, which will give you a lovely flavor to your cake. Okay. I'm now ready to mix the sugar water. And mix it well along with the semolina and get back to you once the batter is ready. So I've gone ahead and mixed all the sugar, water along with my cardamom powder to this batter. See how the batter looks now. Okay. Make sure that if just in case if there isn't sufficient water, make sure you add a little bit more so that the semolina can absorb all the water and become bulky. Okay, so it needs to be this consistency. I'm going to show you how it looks. See? Alright. So now I'm going to leave this for about 2 hours outside so that the semolina can absorb all the liquid, and then leave it in the oven to bake. Alright then, see you in an hour's time. It's been about an hour now since this is resting. Before I keep it to bake, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of soda bicarb or baking soda, just half a teaspoon. Next I'm going to add a handful of golden sultanas. Okay. And a handful of cashew nuts. And then I'm going to mix it all well and get back to you. Line my tin with the parchment paper. Next I'm going to add my batter that I prepared. Look how lovely it is. The semolina has risen as well because of the water that we added. It's become nice and pulp. Let me just quickly go ahead and set this tin and keep it in the oven. Alright, and see you in a while. Make sure you smoothen up the batter so there's no air. I've put it in the oven now at about 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Once it's 45 minutes, I'm going to poke it and check if if the cake isn't cooked. If it hasn't cooked, I'm going to put it back in the oven for the next 10 minutes. Alright then, see you in about 45 minutes. I'm going to let the cake now bake for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So here you go, the cake is now ready. See how lovely it looks now. Nice and brown crust, golden crust on top. Alright. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home, especially during Christmas. Wonderful cake to make and delicious to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and Merry Christmas. Goodbye.